What's up, guys? I hope everybody's having a great day today. Today, we're gonna be making a Labubu beanie. So this beanie should fit the exciting macaron Labubus, also the have a seat Labubus too. Yeah, so just start with whatever color you guys want to use. I do like using the worsted weight yarn or medium weight yarn. We're gonna be using a 4mm G hook. You can also use a 3.75mm F hook. You're also gonna need a yarn needle and some scissors. And without further ado, let's get started making this Labubu beanie. All right, so first off, you're gonna wanna get some worsted weight yarn. I'm gonna start with the color brown. You guys can use whatever color you want. We're gonna start by chaining 16. So let's chain 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, now we're gonna turn, and starting in the second chain from that hook, we're gonna double crochet 10. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the next step is going to be 3 half double crochets. So that's 1, 2, and 3 half double crochets. And we're going to end it with 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. So at the end of each row, you're just going to want to chain 1. So we're going to chain 1 there because we're at the end of that row. We're going to move into round 2. So for round 2, we're going to be in the front loops only. We're going to start with single crochet 2, and 2. Then we're going to half double crochet 3. Again, we're in the front loops only. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to double crochet 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, we're going to chain 1 and move on to round 3. So for round 3, we're going to be in the back loops only, double crochet 10. Again, we're in the back loops only this time. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now still in the back loops, we're going to half double crochet 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to single crochet 2, still in the back loops. 1 and 2. Then we're going to chain 1. Okay, so this is what we have here so far. So this is basically rounds 2 and 3. This is basically it. So we're just basically repeating this exact same round, so round 2 and 3, all the way until round 20. So again, repeat rounds 2 and round 3 all the way until we reach round 20, which should end with a front loop only, single crochet of 2, half double crochet of 3, and then a double crochet of 10. That should be your last round. So just for the sake of the video, I'm going to fast forward through that part, and then I'll meet you guys after round 20. Hi, I'm Michael from Knotmonster. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please take the time to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can be the first to see my new videos and new content. If you want to learn more about crochet or you want to see more patterns, I have an Etsy store. Check it out. It's knotmonster.etsy.com. Or if you want a paperback version, I do have books on Amazon. I've got books such as my Pink Edition book, my Balloon Animal book, and my Knotmonsters Potted Plant book. Those are all available paperback copies at Amazon. Just search Knotmonsters in the search bar. Anyways, let's get back to the crochet. Okay guys, so we just finished row 20, so it should look something like this. I just chained 1 to kind of end that row, and we're gonna pull this pretty long here because we're gonna use this to sew everything kind of together. So let's kind of pull that through, and then again, this is what we have. So with this, we're going to kind of fold it in half. We're gonna get our yarn needle, and we're gonna sew the pieces together. So we're just kind of aligning them up here. And we're gonna just sew them together. Okay, so at the end here, we're just gonna kind of knot this off and then tie in your loose ends here. Sew my loose ends into the back side here, that way you can't see them. Just for the sake of the video, I'm going to be really fast with some of these loose ends in, but you should actually kind of go several directions here when you're sewing in these loose ends so they don't get unraveled. Okay. All right. So let's put this on. So that's how it's going to look, guys. So we're going to put this on our Labubu. We're going to fold it up just a little bit. Okay, and that, guys, is our Labubu Beanie. All right. So I hope you guys had a great time making this. Again, it works up pretty quickly here, so hope you guys had a great time making this. I know I had a great time making this. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Also, please tag me too as well at Knotmonster on Instagram with all of your creations. I would love to see them. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video.